Hi, fellow traders. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I wanted to quickly recap my week. Very, very slow, pathetic week for me. I had a couple things go on. It kind of took my focus off of trading, and life happens. So, and that's a big part of me doing what I do because I want to share all of these things. When life happens, you need to see how I react. Most successful people in this world, they had to have a model of success. Nobody could just tell them what to do. They had to actually see it. And that's what I'm trying to do every day in chat. Whether it be losing trades or mistakes, it's just trying to show you, model how you have to react, how you deal with it, and how you come back. And then from there, you're able to identify your own path. But at least you have a model that you can go by. And, that's what's really important in what we do. So, gonna quickly recap my week here. All right, real quickly, we have our swing trade class. It's going strong right now. In a week, we're going to start the new day trading class. We'll be starting that one up again, the live classes. And also, I didn't give my boy his props last time. So obviously, I'm helped by Leo, the day trading cat. You can see him looking at me, making sure that I'm paying attention. And here he's telling me where I should have gotten in that trade. So he's teaching me a lot. So what I learned from him, I'm going to be passing on. But this is 100% live class. If you missed the classes, they are recorded. You have lifetime access to any class I teach. Just like the guys that were in the very first day trading class, they can come back and catch some updated stuff in this class. They don't have to pay anything. You have access to all the recordings. So I think it's a very good deal. And plus, the last part of the class, you get the trading psychology course. That's all part of this. So if you're interested in it, just pop over to averagejoetrader.com, look on the services, or you can email me, ed@averagejoetrader.com, and I can answer any questions that you may have. All right, so here's my sad week here. 431.80, and I think that's pretty much all I got on AAP. The rest of the week was just scratched. It was just a scratch. Monday started out with 2 losses. Tuesday we kind of fought back a little bit. But you see Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday I don't think I traded at all. Thursday, not much. And then, Friday was just a crazy day. So not really much. Only 61% accuracy. My longs, 33%. That was terrible. Only 1 out of 3 attempts on the hit. But you can see I just didn't trade much. Just did not trade much. So, not really much to brag about. And you can see where I had to pull back. This chart is just like a week off. So next week you'll see another little pullback like this. I'm still trending up. I'm making higher lows. So that, as long as that's happening on this graph, I'm going to continue to feel good. But you're going to have pullbacks. You're going to have, days where you just don't make the right decisions, or you overtrade a little bit like I've done recently. I've taken an extra trade or two, added 4 or 5 tickets to, my total. And it's just something that I'm working on slowly but surely. Trying to not think that I have to trade. When you're running a chat room, you just feel that you have to trade. You have to do something. And that shouldn't be the case, because what I'm trying to do again is demonstrate the right way to trade. And if my strategies aren't setting up, then I don't need to trade. And I don't need to go chasing other strategies. I need to say, look, this is what the deal is. My strategies aren't setting up, so I'm not trading. The market's not conducive for it. And when it comes back around, I'll be ready to pounce. And that's pretty much, the way it has to be. For the month, we've got $34.98, right at $3,500. Not bad monthly total. I mean, if I can have a strong week this week and finish out the month, I'll feel good. If I can get $1,500 this week, then I'll hit $5,000 and that'll be awesome for the month. Considering I'm starting at $3,000 every month and working up from that to make $5,000, starting with $3,000 is nothing. I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at. So I mean, it is tough. It is hard when you're trading smaller, because you're smaller sizes. Your winners are smaller. Your losers are actually, a larger ratio to your winners than if you were, trading bigger and getting bigger wins. But this is what we have to go through when we're growing a small account. This is what you have to go through. It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes a process. And that's what we've been doing week in and week out for this whole year. We've done very good some weeks, and some weeks we've done very bad. I think the worst week I've done this year was $300 or something. I mean, it happens. And as long, the good thing is it's not red, because it could have easily been red. I could have easily kept trading those days that I stopped trading and, taking myself negative. And that's the difference between me having red weeks and me having green weeks. I know when to stop trading. And when I have to stop, shut it down, and walk away. And that's, key in growing and then developing that discipline, so that when you get to trading larger sizes, you won't take these monstrous losses. You'll know when to walk away. When things aren't working, it's time to walk away. And that you could always re-engage. And, and often when you re-engage, you get a better entry. So you end up making more money in the long run. So, it's a mind game. Day trading is 80% mental and 20% strategy, because the strategies are easy to trade. I mean, the strategies are easy to learn. It's the decision making, it's the execution that's the hard part, and that's where the mental part comes in. So that's why I say it's 80% mental, which is why, I do the trading psychology as part of the day trading class, because it is imperative that you get that and that you understand that moving forward. All right, so that is my week. This is where I'm at for the month. I'm looking for a strong week next week, but not going to force it. Tomorrow is going to be a short day because of the eclipse. Everybody's converging on South Carolina, and we're going to enjoy it with our family. And So probably be there till about the time I go to lunch, and then I'll be walking away. This is a once in a lifetime thing, so I don't want to miss it. So we're all, revved up and ready to go to check out this eclipse. So we'll see how the week turns out, and see if I, have some trades, can do some recaps this week, and bring this thing home strong. Alright, so if you're not following me, this is my social media. This is where I'm at right now. So follow me on Twitter. You subscribe to my YouTube channel here, on Facebook, Instagram. This is where you can get in touch with me. And as always, I'm ed@averagejoetrader.com if you want to shoot me an email. Always getting emails, always answering questions. It's what I love to do. So anytime. Alright guys, take it easy. Have a great week. And we will see you in the trenches.